guys, it's Izzy, back at Izzy GRF, and we are with my cousin again. We'll be doing a Nerf war today. So yeah, let's go show you the guns quick. Alright, so right over here we have the guns. So you can see there's two big ones there. Then we have the little ones, and then we have the bucket of ammo right there. So yeah, we're going to be using this whole entire place, including
and way in all those rooms down.
Yeah. There. So yeah, you guys, if you saw the review of the man cave, you guys will see all the rooms that we'll be using. So make sure you go check out that video before you watch this, because then you'll know what we're doing. Let's do this. All right. So yeah, now that you guys saw the guns, today we are now going to start doing the draft. So first, I'm going to do rock, paper, scissors versus my cousin to see who will get the pick of the draft first. Alright, so here's the camera. Let me set it up. Sorry, guys. Okay, so here we go. So, rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, so,
best out of 3.
Yeah, best out of 3. Okay, so, okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Dang it.
Okay, so.
Okay. Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Dang it.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, well, I guess I picked the gun. I picked the gun first. So, yeah. All right, so there's the guns right there. You can see I'm probably, I don't know the guns well. I'm going to look over this one. Looks like it lost a couple ammo here. We're going to fix that. Or, I know I'm definitely going for
There's one on the ground right here.
Oh, okay. Yeah. And then, it seems like good, but I feel like this holds like more ammo and it seems rapid fire, so I'm going to go this bad boy. So now, my gun's there that I chose first.
You guys know, since this is the only big one left, I'm going to take the crossbow.
Yep, so my cousin picks crossbow.
So this is actually one of my favorite guns that I own, because first of all, it can go 40 yards. Also has, let me open this up for you, the mag. It has these really good darts that, I don't know, they just shoot pretty good. They fly in the air decent, they stay straight. And yeah, it's easy to go back, like it's so easy to, it's like just slide smooth. And then, yeah, it's easy to press the trigger. And this is just one of my favorite guns that I own.
Yeah, so that's his opinion, which it's actually a really good description. But next, I'm going to choose one of these 4 little guns that are left, which look identical except for the colors. So, yeah. Alright, so here we are, guys. You can rather get the green and yellow, green and black, yellow and blue, and black and green. Now, they do have some differences, but I'm going to go with the green, black and green, and I'm also going to go with the green and yellow. So now, it's my cousin's turn.
There's only 2 left, so I got to pick these ones. First of all, this is probably the favorite mini one I own. Then this is probably the worst mini one I own.
Alright, so yeah, we have our guns, and we are going to start the war. Alright, so guys, you can see that we haven't done anything in the box, which holds the ammo, which is pretty important. So if you need ammo, you're going to have to rush over to this mattress, and which is technically in the middle right here. So we're going to put it there, and you guys need to, if you're out of ammo, one of us need to run over and get some more ammo. And let's make a rule. You can if you like stall taking ammo, then you'll probably get shot at, because it's only 5 seconds to get ammo, and if it's more than 5 seconds, then the player that sees you getting ammo can shoot at you, but you have 5 seconds. So if you get ammo less than 5 seconds, you're good, because no one's going to shoot at you. You agree?
My phone just died.
Oof. Do you agree?
Yeah, I think that's a pretty good rule, because, like, we need to load we just need to grab a big handful and run back right away.
Yeah, like you can get into the rooms, which is like you're a barrier, like in World War II, and you just like load up. So let's start this war. Me versus my cousin. Okay, so my cousin is going to start in the pool room. I'm going to start on the other side, which that case will be with all the barriers, kind of. Or I can technically start behind, like, the bar, which will kind of be my trench. But I'm going to grab my guns, and, yeah, let's go do this.
See you at the war.
Yep.
Let's do this.
All right, guys, so we have the camera set up. No, we don't. Well, almost. But we're going to start it. So, yeah. All right. It's starting. All right. Get to your trenches. We're counting down. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go! Crap, my ammo's falling out. I don't even know this gun. I don't know how to shoot this. How do you shoot this?
Is it clogged?
I don't know.
Hold on, guys. Pause. I think her gun might be clogged.
Yeah, might be already. Alright, so yeah, I'm loaded right here. So the thing is, my gun is probably clogged. I don't know. Alright, so yeah, before we start, let's test. Let's test this. I'm going to hit the ground. Oh, I see. Okay, there we go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Suddenly, it looks like there's our Chandler. And I just won $1 million. He spins the lines in a way that they're his. There's so many comedy skills there.
I see you.
Rachel was the hardest part to cast, and it was the last part we cast.
She could be a really unlikable character. I mean,
Ready next.
selfish, self-involved, spoiled. You don't like Rachel.
We saw lots and lots and lots of other women really becoming wearing actual wedding dresses.
You got it. Oh, it got clogged.
You didn't really fall in love, and you needed to because you needed to feel the cross. And then Jack came up.
Oh, God. Got you.
No, I hit there. Oh.
This extent is supposed to be rare.
Alright guys, I'm running over here. Holy crap, he's right there. My gun had a problem. Alright. Shoot. You can shoot. Oh, what the? My bullets all fell out. Look at this.
Not all. Yeah, pick them up. Hurry up. I can shoot you right now.
I gotta load them.
You can close doors and stuff.
Oh, you can? Yeah. Okay. Alright, here.
Where is she?
3. You can come in, I guess.
This gun is dog. I'm feeling it. Where is she? I see you in the camera. the way, you got me in the chest.
Oh, I did?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so apparently...
We're still going.
Oh, we are?
Yeah.
Alright. Alright, you got me.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
We both.
Yeah, but we both got each other. Dude. Right. New place. Here we go.
I see you behind that bar. Are you gonna keep pausing?
Press. Okay, guys, she is in the room right now. I'm hiding behind this air mattress. I'll give you guys the view from up top. I'm hiding back here. She's somewhere down that hallway, but I'm hiding over here. So yeah, I'm gonna peek out. I see her. She's in that back room to the right. Sorry guys, the camera fell. Oh, I gotta set this up. Okay, hopefully she does not pop out. Okay, hold on, I need to get a view. Okay, there, now you guys have a view on the room she's at. Dang, I should have shot her there.
Almost got her. No.
Oh, you did?
Let's go. Okay. So I won the first round here.
But she wants to do another round. I don't know if we'll have time. We'll only have 2 lives.
Or how about one?
Alright, this time we only have 1 live. So we just did the first one.
Do you want to only use for a challenge, only use the little guns?
Yeah, well, I've been using the little guns only. Because my gun sucks. I choose the wrong one.
Alright. So who's going to get the camera view this time? Okay.
We'll do it in the pool room. Alright, 2 challenges, guys. Only little guns and only in the pool room. You can actually go to the bar. Just nowhere on to the white carpet. Nowhere over here. You cannot go on any of the carpets. Only this carpet's fun because I don't know why that's there, but you cannot go on this carpet at all except for that one. And obviously this one where the pool room is.
And we can only go in this pool room. So we're mostly
We can go in the bar. We just can't go in the.
We're mostly gonna be using this as cover though, the pool table.
Yeah.
So yeah.
So guys, we actually had to move the bucket as well over here. So we are gonna probably put the bucket.
Like right here.
Yeah. Put it right in the suitcase. So you can start over here, I guess, with the ammo. I'm gonna start right here. And I said you can't go on this carpet, but you can go on this one, not that one over there. All right, guys. New rule. So, well, technically, all you guys can use is technically we have the view in the pool room. So, if you want to come out, you have to be in this view of the camera because we're not going to move it a lot this time. We might move it in the pool room, but if you want to come out here, then you have to come out here. But you got to be in the view. So, all right, let's start this. Okay. Only guns in only pool room plus this tile place. All right, 10, 9. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I see you. Oh, jeez.
We both on the side. Your gun didn't shoot. You need to twist it so it's on top.
What?
Only the top.
Times.
Only the top one shoots. Top circle.
Oh, only the top one?
Yeah. That's the only one that will shoot.
Yeah.
Okay, get back. I hit freaking right here. Oh.
Crack my ammo.
You're lucky.
Oh!
I almost got you there.
Hi. Crap, oh, Bro, this is intense. This is intense, guys. What the? Yeah, I said I needed to be in the view. I'm sorry, guys.
Oh, I blocked your bullet with my bullet.
No, I hit your gun.
Hey, you gotta get in the camera view. This is intense.
Very.
What?
Yeah, I got you right here.
You did?
Yes, I did. Sorry. Hey. Okay,
Oh,
so
that hurt my foot.
alright, so technically, I guess what?
Did I run into it?
Yeah, you ran into something. So that was intense. He won the main one for sure. I guess you could say I could win the extra one. 20 minutes is long enough. So we'll see you with another video. Yeah.
I'm gonna go look at